JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
na tumesija. Leure.
Yes.
Yeah.
The land of bananas. And the Banana Republic, not the Banana Republic, the Republic of Bananas.
The difference.
Yes. So we are talking about Uganda. Yes. The land of Kabaka Mutesa. Yes.
A historical country.
A very historical with a lot of history. Tipo kwa ina maji rebellion. That was in Tanganyika.
Maumare matanganyika. Uganda no magire wiathi mbere itu.
Magire mbere itu. Yes.
Ona reri muthungu agiaka reri ino ya tene ri.
Yes.
Etagwo the Uganda Railway. So they had more interest in Uganda than Kenya.
Absolutely. No, and again, it is very important to go to Kenya that Uganda is our biggest trading partner.
Yes.
And that is in the world. Yes.
Yosho nigo bururi ra twendanagiria na kuguranira indo muno na njira nene muno.
Absolutely.
Ukira maburi maria mangi mothe.
Yes. Ni wega muno. Tugithi gukura tundu turi ha twagucogoira na social media mukamenya acio ni customer ke.
Aitu anene.
Anene. Yes.
Uguo maundu maria marekeka guku no mahuti Uganda.
Yes.
Na maundu maria marekeka Uganda no matuhuti.
Absolutely. It is that neka haka hai. No Uganda ni twendanagiria muno.
Ni tukuru haine muno.
Muno ntumendagĩria nginya thitima. No ithuĩ tũgũraga nĩ gwĩcia ithuĩ tũgũraga.
Nĩ ithuĩ tũgũra thitima kuma
Jinja. Yes. Ũguo nĩ tũrĩ kaũndũ nao. Na nĩkĩo mũthuri ũcio nake okaga gũkũ o ũrĩa arenda. Yes.
Na nĩkĩo gũkũ nake oka nĩwe waragia handũ-inĩ ha mũhĩrĩga. Na
ageithagia andũ arĩa arenda. I'll just greet one person. You shall greet the rest. Yes. And Makoto Mena president, our generation does not know any other leader in that country. Kumoni nyinde vitu twakora o.
Twakora mundu ucio.
Ithe wa muhoci. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Na Kaguta wa Museveni ri. Wathani na mahinyagira
mutito. Thirikari agirire mutito.
Yes. Akieheria who was the predecessor?
Ni Milton Obote.
Obote. Yes. What's Obote already? I mean, who was before? No. Amini yale wabe.
Amini no wabe rafere.
Ndio amini naka gwezia leo Obote naka ni wakire akamfanyia ile kitu.
Na akafanyiwa ile kitu.
Since then, power has not changed.
Turali horo kuwa kuma 1986.
Yes. In 1986 today, it will be 40 years next year.
Yes. Of
Yoweri Kaguta Museveni's rule in Uganda. Yes. And we consume a lot of Uganda and produce. We consume their fruit, see? We consume even their music. Yes.
Ona he ndi andu huku marageraga nguo Uganda muno kahinda karari ho.
It was a very popular trade, and there was a time we used to go there with our wing roads and pro boxes to sell telephones. Yes. Go to Uganda. And some of the legendary leaders of this country have also studied at Makerere. Yes. Where the Makerere.
And what am I made a makerere, me makerere.
No, you don't mess with those people. And those people had skills. They had a particular set of skills
and discipline.
Yes, they had the discipline. Yes.
Material mama kerere.
Yes. So we have a lot of history with Uganda. Their president is, of course, has been, calls for him to actually now step down. And let the younger people take power. Ona kenyaki wezi ya tiriri. Woi please. Regulate.
Limwe tu. Oriu.
Turekania.
Hiyo ni kupangwa.
Direda udugi o miake gino.
Itano. Nuna mwehe ege imwe tu.
Imwe tu ta mwe tu.
Dekie tu udu direka.
chwa giothe maitagira matangi turwa gikiri
ngameherera
ndimeherere meke uria menda nake
na bururi uyu
you should just give me another one more term. After that, I shall go to become a farmer. So I should go to my nyankole and my cows, the ones with the big horns. You see, I've not yet even created a good rapport with the current leaders in the East Africa. The only person we know each other is Kagame. So you just give me 5 more years to sit properly with Ruto
and Samia
and Mama Samia. If she gets it, but from the way I see it, it's just, her country, you either choose Samia or Sulu.
Kudale na dauti.
That's
choke terere ya Kenya 2027.
Yes.
Ono leo gaikara.
You see the election that you are unable to actually you know for a tell is the Kenyan one. Because again I don't know what is wrong with their courts.
And the Kenyans see themselves.
Kenyans are very peculiar and intuitive people. Because you might think this one is winning, suddenly there is a petition. Suddenly the Chief Justice overrules the government that pays him. Just around me. So you see, I have only served for a very small period of time. It's I'm still very young and full of energy. You can see the way I jump when I play even my songs. As I listen to Chameleon, I'm very energetic. You see, just give me 5 years. So that I can be able to talk with the ones who are coming to accommodate the likes of Mos.
Okay, thurano kio Uganda next year 2026.
Next year.
Oh, Tanzania ndio manathurana mweri wa 10 mwaka uyu.
Yes.
Na ithuĩ 2027.
I understand in Tanzania the opposition is mauled. Opposition leaders are in jail. The other one was banned.
Ndirari moshi last week.
Yes.
Na tiga babango makia makiria kirathanagia CCM ri. No ecire gutiri andu angi mararugama.
Yes.
Na bisha cia Mama Samia kuu.
Yes.
Just that.
And it's like Ugandans don't have a problem with Museveni. They might have. No, I mean, I have to do it all. Komenyera. Tonya so menyerete moi. Thimu just go for another smaller time, then we finish. Because there is the fear of the unknown.
No, we don't kura neo maikagia ri. Yes. If they vote him in again,
yes.
So be it.
Who is the opposition? There is Bobby Wine. You see, I am not saying this musician cannot rule. Just let me finish. You see, you don't push old men.
And you are young.
Young people should wait their turn. She's not a Jesu.
Auge heto project irenda gutiga twarika.
To project itu iho. Na miaka 39 ri. Ndahotete. Ni undu wa maundu ki?
Ni kuigirwo ni maundu.
Never the menya guku mundu ahea oriru ethiete muno.
Na to nginya onere iru riu.
Aitha to nginya
we. Ni uguthie mwe wiru.
Wo sofa gutikiro ri uragara iru riu.
The future is not guaranteed.
Ne audari au. Ura watigeti hani? Agere iru ri ni macokire maikara thi na mundu ria mambicana. Na mundu ri kuma aikara thi aikario thi hindi yo ri. Kaundu kau ni agatuire kau.
Niagatuire kamenyero.
Niagatuire kamenyero ikarathi na uria wacokiria giuka. Ane macokete ruma ikathi no yuki.
No ria wikuo.
Yes. Niguko ne imiko.
Guku ne ikubi ugeretie piu.
Yes. Guku thiete piu. Ni tutam. Uthiete sana.
Na ene we niguo gatiba kagiathanite.
Leo ona Museveni ni ari gwatiriri. What is this narrative I'm hearing in Kenya?
They are saying the current one.
Yes.
They might not return him.
So there is a vocabulary that I'm hearing. Even with the small musicians, they are talking about it. Is which one is it?
One term.
What does that mean?
It's a threat to the current holder that they might not re-elect him.
Is that in the constitution? Is it even possible? So I have like. Can you remind me which term am I? Kono miaka 5.
Ona kono miaka 5.
Kogu 8 term.
Term ya kanana.
I am term 8. So here is 8 term.
Kenya zibarathirite ni na 1 term.
So there is 2 term and there is 1 term. And I have 8. So even if I donate to them 3, they still have no chance.
Mike muongerera andu oganda ri. Well and good bururi-ini wao.
No, it is their land. It's their democratic right to either vote him out or maintain him. Yes.
Mage muongerera tu imwe. Riu ni akweherera.
Yes. I will just give me one more time. You see, there are things I need to complete. So just allow me. One more term. Just give me 1 term.
One more. I cannot get more.
I'm asking the Ugandans to just give me 1 term. The Ugandans, just 1 term, and I shall be okay. Because the other 8 have been a little busy. So just 1 term, I finish. What we live in the region is stability. Yes.
And peace.
And peace. I was looking at the analogy of one engineer Tashi. Yeah, President Sariamana Korwoku Uganda. I've never heard some names.
And the dam Yonani Yamodi Dama Igua.
And this is authoritative we have confirmed.
Talu Yusuf Kero Deario.
I have no idea. Okay, so Edward Mutesa the second, that makes sense.
Yeah, Mutesa
from the Kabaka.
Na Milton Obote thanire Mary.
66 ya 71. Akihaguru ni Idi Amin Dada 71 ya 79. Kironde gikioerera. Nake mundu to Godfrey Lukongwa bina Isa 79 ginya 8 ciathira iri
ndaikarire muno
akionio kangeni wangethe ni Paulo Muwanga
is which one?
I don't know. Ocio athania 1980 athania meri 6 Obote akimura kwenda wewe.
Toka hapo.
Yes. That must have been a coup. Yeah, I think all these were coups.
Actually in coups kuma 79.
Yes.
Goka ginya riu 86.
8 ginya 85. Obote agicoka. Agicoka yukaro Tito Okelo Lutwa.
Tito Okello, yeah. I've heard of Tito Okello.
Ojo nake Museveni amwirora ile mwaka akimuthira mutitu. Agicoka na mata So ideally from 1962 to 1986 yona miaka igana.
That should be 24 years.
24 years. Iyo niyo ama president ayagiothe. Enwe agi 4th. Ni Museveni oiki.
amanyitithanĩtie na akamaunanĩra.
Of their 60, nearly 61 independence.
Independence yao nĩ ya 61.
Yes, that is 40 plus 24. 64 years, really. 40 ni ya Museveni.
Uganda.
So that is something that will never be repeated in history.
No, it can't.
Anywhere in the world.
It can't.
Not in the new world order. Oh, yes.
Aya.
Reure. Fellow Kenyans, our nation and strength, of course, as heralded by our forefathers, indeed remains. You know, that is Uhuru Ngoni Kenyatta. Yes.
Adirikania address joint sitting ya bunge. That was State of the Nation.
Yes. There was a particular iconic State of the Nation address. Now this reminds us of the days when the journey to Mbamba was always christened by the song of Safari. Safari ya Bamba ni Macheo.
No, that one was outstanding.
It was iconic. Oh, yes. Most of his speech anyway.
He was standing ovation.
Yes, deservedly so.
No, it doesn't happen many times.
And he was calm. At the time they came with the whistles. Kaja mono with the kake. Yes, and whenever he pops up, we pick it up.
Of course we have to.
Yes. There's pictures doing rounds.
Nedironete bisha chikoleto ikidura on kuma ne Sunday kana ne Monday.
Yes.
I think on Monday. Hado arale kuria gatudu. Muciara aracere. I think the late areto mwalimu
Samuel Gatama Njuguna.
Yes. I am assuming they must have known each other.
They're actually neighbors and they've known each other for a long time with their family. Yes.
Nendironi nembisha igetembea guku nenda-ini. And of course they are eliciting
some reactions here and excitement to say the least. Yes. Mugathe Uhuru tutikimona kaigi.
We kuma we ari tayari.
No longer that big of a newsmaker. So whenever he pops up, neto muonanga ga. La posito ne Pauline, Pauline Njoroge. And his page. Yes. To office of the 4th President of the Republic of Kenya.
Yes.
And this is a very ordinary home. Ne mosi to geri late na guo muno tondo no.
Muno.
No, ra sitting room re. Bichane maige hiaro thigo-ini.
You can tell is a rural home in central Kenya.
Yes. Mena ginya kindu to all unit. Na metha ndarama. I tell you. His Excellency here. Na nona kwaje runo hema-ini ri. Eno maika ete hema-ini. Haru ni horo ri.
Deto hau.
Yes.
Sitting with fellow villagers.
Yes. You know, because we have sat down with Uhuru Ngoni Kenyatta, His Excellency,
one on one.
His presence is intimidating. Ngoni. Gathaiya. Yes.
No buraruta.
Look at the nake uakuria. Toro to thome ha. Ya yu ike gole dia munene.
Auga ne mariko cigana.
Thienya mariko. Kwadre muthurito mariganethia nake ahari. He's a very ordinary man. Mariganethia ahari.
Wikirite ngofia ya cowboy.
Uriganethia na mundu hana wa bora ri. Teka no wa bora oyo.
Ni hana no ndigwiciria niwe.
Looks like Wambora. Mariganethia ahari. Muthuri ucio ndangiheka uhoro after that. Turaikaranĩtie nake handu hariku.
Turaikaranĩtie o toikarainie nawe.
Na niĩ ndĩreciaria cira nĩ ariganĩirwo nĩ niĩ. Aranjũria atĩrĩrĩ, no ũrarenga iranga mwena ũhĩndĩ. Iranga. Macirega crackcha. Na skimming. Ndaramenya ngĩgweta iranga rĩ. Na skimming rĩ. Anjũĩ biũ. Ndĩramwĩra kanjomo ndĩrĩ okuo. Kanjomo ndĩrĩ okuo ndi handũ. Tũkire kũririkana mwarimũ. Yes. Na niĩ ndĩrakwĩra atĩrĩrĩ ndĩramwĩrio maũndũ mothe ũrĩa gũtariĩ ndĩramwĩra nĩ mũnene nĩ magũtigithia wĩra wĩ mwanake mũno
wĩra ndũkwenda ũtigwo mũndũ mũnini ũguo
atĩrĩrĩ inyocho othe rĩ nĩ tũngĩra ũhũthĩra kũrũ gũkũ nĩ ũrabateire wĩikarange tondũ kuma wathiĩ ningĩ harĩ tũmaũndũ
nĩ kwanyitanire
kidogo nĩ wabatie wĩikarange mĩaka ĩngĩ onokorwo nĩ 15 tũkũhinyie
na tũkorwo twamenya nĩ atĩa
nĩ atĩa watho nĩ watho na
aca watho naguo nĩ unagwo
aca rĩu watho naguo rĩu nĩ mũnene gũkĩra nginya ũrĩa wake ũthonde aca ona guka guo ganda rĩ no aretia itĩna rĩngĩ rĩmwe kanjo mũndũ agĩka wega mũno nĩguo no ngĩkota nĩ mũnyitanu rĩ nĩ ũkũnjiga hakwa
ndirona ta ũihũrĩtie mũtoka
ti hĩndĩ ĩno agĩthiana na mĩtongoro ndona oka na igĩrĩ nĩ makana tima
nĩma
nĩ wona haha ũtanakinya mũtomo igĩ ndũraigana harĩa ndonyagĩra wĩ mĩera ĩrĩ
ũngĩnjiga ũthome rĩ
he mĩera ĩno na igwa na kĩgwa gĩkĩ gĩtanu gĩkagati gĩkĩ ti mũkũna nĩ kĩndũ gũtanuka yes yeni ningĩ ngĩkuonagia gĩ ndũrarigana harĩa tũikaraga ningĩ ndingĩaga kĩndũ ingĩkerũra
acio nĩ nyambĩte kũrũgama
kwĩyendera kana
no kũrora maũndũ ũguo
nĩ ndathimi nĩ ũkũgũtha rũmwe nĩ ũkũgũtha rũmwe ngĩkwĩraga handũ harĩa tũtarathiĩ kĩ
tũtarathiĩ wega rĩu tũtiĩrĩgaine na tondũ gũkũ nĩ macaka tũtiriaria mũno rĩ we nĩ tumanie we ndirango keca bicia bikabu niĩ tũkuma na ithe wa ngĩna na mwĩtie ũkĩmũhũrĩrĩria cai mũno
nĩ momo mateithie cai mũno kamajani mothe mũrakĩreo haha na mũgeni wa mũhĩrĩga ũndeigagĩrĩrwo twathi makĩria ma 6 mwahota kuona kĩmabũrũri onekana mũkoroku nĩ mũige igĩrĩ arĩkietie mũke mũigĩrĩra mboburu hau
athiĩ kwa nĩ mĩgate
mũthiũ kũrĩa mboburu nayo wandenethi nĩ ũmũthambirie moko ehera nĩkĩ kawakĩgega wĩyaco na nĩ kwĩ mwana ũyũ witũ tũmwendete nĩ wakĩmwenda rĩu coka riko
ordinary mũgeni wa gĩkĩro kĩu witũ ũrarĩ mũndũ ũrĩa marigania rĩ nĩ eheaga jukumu ya gũkorwo arĩ
the gatekeeper roles
na nĩ mũriarire haha mũno na inyuĩ
naguo atĩrĩrĩ ũka anjĩtĩre wa mbere hau wa mbere chuka ũrĩa mwanĩkire harĩa rũĩ-inĩ ndũrĩ na mbica njega
ũrĩkũ
ũrĩa
hau
nĩ wanũrwo mwana ũrĩa wega he mĩigua ndũgatarũke nĩ kũndũ gũkũ no ũrĩhũrwo mbica na inyagio
gũkũ nenda-inĩ
rĩu mũnene mayo kwenda mambura kana akĩrĩa makarĩ mĩno nĩ maya watigire watũtoborera
reke ũnyue maya watũthondekeire
mũtha maya maku maya watũthondekeire rĩ mũthangira thigo igwe nĩ mahoreru yani tondũ itangire mambura nĩ mega no tondũ ndĩrĩga hihi mena kĩ
mena kamunju
ndũrehere mũgathe maĩ make karĩ mĩno ĩni mũnene maya rĩu tondũ nĩ maku rĩ haha hena ngundo
Of course they are interacting na ndo arage korire kou.
Of course, yes.
And of course even other villagers don't get my kemura he munene.
Na munene na gawira ni wa utengera ye ni wona ni waingiha.
Ono kore angane mawikaleira na maundu.
Weka pogo ku no. Kwanja ungira na nderu we gokire thoguo muthari. Eyo shida kererie.
Andura marari kuure. Especially ru wale mara interact riri. Acio nduri undu ngimera.
Hapana.
Nienda kuria turae nake oguo.
Ona mundu aerugirire.
Aranyonire haria thutha aranjita.
Arauga atiriri. Ucio ni maco. Ndiamura munene nie.
Oka.
Kabaga ikara haya niki. Ndiamura ni agani nguheaga itira njira oka. Niki we.
Na araririkana tuweka campaign ya 97.
Yes. Araririkana hene no thukuhurwo ni moca cimwihia etagwo. Mundu ucio ni ari memorehio muno. Ndana ateti ange guku. Merikanisagiria andu. No, everyone, they were left there with a story.
Mundu wothe wari kugu ri. Yeah, they have a story.
Ndirakwenda muinamirie biriko.
Ajira wa mangi niwe.
Dama, ndarigo yatiriri. Kage dirikana. Dama ni wa mangi.
Imuthuri ucio ndari kiririkana uyu.
Muthuri ucio ri, memore ni muhe. Memore ri.
Miaka igana.
Memore na common sense ri.
Morena common sense.
He ni wacio. Ate na itetu. Nano eko dirikana. Damura ni murio. Ajira atiriri. Viare ai. Ne yo girinyanya. Dake nerwo.
Na no nguthiete kuu uguo itari uria ndarie.
Tio gucondo wa ikonyori. Ndino wa kuu na. Nanto kire oyihua.
Ora riu nginya tetiri warakorire ria ya rugongo. With no red carpet.
No red carpet, a very ordinary set. Rona hemeno ni ria muhiriga ile tuma andu othe mahana ne bicaini. Yeah, no.
Area original green.
Yes, na red. Na black. Yes. Well, this is quite awesome.
So it's good.
So it's a delight to see him around. Yes. That's it. Kanja muni. Nyuku hari yo kindu kuria nyumba. Ne gura yokana. Sukari no huthagira.
Ne sawa na nduvia.
Kemata matia induvia yo.
Wa Susana no waigua.
Atiriri na ndukora tare gukugia mu no ithange na. Tothi ni urahakirwo. Ni urahakirwo maguta.
Mathiage. Iyo ni gutengererwo. It is good. It's a good thing.
No, it is. It is a good thing. Absolutely.
Munene tukuragia atiriri. Tira kenda kwanirira. Tige no gukuite eno engitotu na tetari. Itari na andu aingiri. No etumerie.
Na munene tondu he oria ninge tukuiri. Nire ku ino horo. So kuri anu megutigwo ha kamiti. Nire ku yuma no horo. Wakiria. Aha mumero. Ndukengira atiamala.
Nige ndoni ukire guku muthiri.
Yes.
Ni ugwitikira tukugio kindogo.
Tukugia ninge uko ndo wepangete ukana kinduri. No tutumane. Tondo no tuya wega. Ni wende cia ndo magikenera. Andio yes.
Ciamani.
Ciamani.
Ni yako ni hega.
Ciamani twero mbuti ere hinguru. Areviki. Oyo we kuora tu athani arangaria ndu.
Weti wa githomo giki.
Ono we kuingato nake ri. No mushuru.
Na cai. Kana kaundu na ndika ni urakonete ndika ni wenderaga muthenya wa iyo indi no kurari mathiko kuria Kikuyu ma itha wa mubunge wa Kikuyu Mzee Shongwa ka gavana wa matangi na nejiguire kahutio nginya rucine ni baratha
well to begin with ndamya akaundu ka urariria
gavana wa matangi ri alijipata wetaga hotel gwikora haceke na githweri
alijipata kwa hali si hali
sio ya
sababu hiyo si ya swing to fahamu
ria gikorire haceke igongona-ini riu tondu ni akiagirwo kamweke handu angigea kiaria kana ikinyie ndumiriri cia rambi
no na handu mari recognize-agwo ri ni ari recognize-irwo kindufia muno
hau matineka wega
recognize gwake as host governor was lackluster
hau hatiakire wega
hau tingi ona haria ona tuna siasa ciana ati ari maundu mamwe ai
hau ona uria wari na program ri hau ni abacirie
so you see I think he was introduced by Governor Cecily
governor you know it actually ni kwagira mundu gitio gwita gavana wa Embu Kiambu
I introduced gavana wa Kiambu
no I mean
and I think Governor Cecily mathi kugia ikaro kiria magia ya Council of Governors ri ni mafatio nake mamuikarie thi tondu riri
no ni mafatie mamuthomere
you see even as a governor where we governor you are supposed to actually one your camera your wisdom should tell you this is your fellow governor you are in his county
we gwake no, I mean, ati governor wa Embu, I introduce governor wa Kiambu, Kiambu.
Na daramo introduce arie, oere adu mwoko.
I mean.
Well, it was a family function given.
Yes.
But again, there is the way the mind operates. He's the governor of Kiambu County. The funeral is in Kiambu.
Given the guest list today, we would have expected the protocol githie.
Ona harera to ha goikarari. That was petty and low. No ikava kwa riama. Na tondu ni maundu manari muingi-ini ri. It was a public event. Hau hatirathi wega. John Joseph Pombe Magufuli augire atiriri msema kweli ni mpenzi wa Mungu maneario that was wrong and embarrassing for a sitting governor in his county
eta governor uria wa county yo ri ni afatio kuheo gitio kiria kimwagiriire because he holds an office on behalf of the people of that county.
You see, the sitting protocol go president, the deputy, then we go to the CSS,
speaker, tondu speaker makirikiwa speaker bunge cieri.
The arms of power, the power hierarchy, and then the CS or then we have the host governor.
The host governor.
Well.
Au hatiathire wega.
Sasa. Bana.
Hiyo sio mzuri.
Those are tantrums.
Lucio rungiri.
Na who is the chair of the Council of Governors? No akoria ni madaraka ni wajir.
Ni governor wa Mandera.
Mike Rathi uhoro ucio ni warererio. To nake governor Cecily ni abatie benyeriri. No arifatara governor wa Matangi.
Yes, they are governors. They have similar situations. Ona governor Mbarire ni njira kuigua arehete thina muno anga ni ara bypass kuria Embu. Maundu mamwe marekwo ni thirikari.
And then she repeats the same thing to a fellow governor.
It is not right.
You see, ona niki githi handu ri jero pio MC Kajimwe guko kana Jeff Kuria ri I will recognize them, especially if I'm in their function.
Yes.
Yeni
hau atiathire wega.
Let's not go overboard.
Be sure they are there.
Bisajaga. Lawyers.
Ikire ni atia no kugweta.
No kutererio guo. Tondu mweri wecha weka atia.
Ni wiroragirwo.
Yes. Ndio.
Aya gutukire.
Aya.
Tukiheana ngano.
Hora tuko tukiardia hai. Data protection.
Yes.
And we have been looking around. Na hiyo mambo bado hiko. Unajua ni vizuri watu hamasishwe.
Ni vizuri kujua.
Yes.
Tulogira matuko maya turatura ri. Macio ni maundu utangithemana namo.
You see one, mundu age access data yaku ri. No access yo toga waku wothe. Access ginya kindu gitagwo your identity. Mundu aiko ena details ciaku cia ma password ki no present handu tari we
tuite we
na andu aria maheo details icio meciria niwe ureka atia
niwe uramahe.
Yes. And I was reading, you were telling me about an article that was on the paper.
Ne gatheti ya Daily Nation last week in radikite.
Yes.
A very big story how the DCI spies on your phone.
It is very concerning. Yes. Quite a concern. Utuka through na thimu yaku hau ugori. There is a software. Yes.
No immediately kanyamu gaikio thimu-ini yaku. Chibi. Gaikaragio hau gakirite.
Yes.
But somebody somewhere ni aramonita thimu yaku uri ureka. Thimu iria urahura, ndumiriri iria uratuma kana kwamukira. Search.
Yes. Ni wega riu uikare ukimenyaga thimu yaku ri. It's supposed to be a personal mobile phone.
And very private.
Very private. Na tukahe andu access ya thimu muno.
Apana.
Tondu uikirio kaundu hau. Oro uguo gie macambiki maguthikagiriria maundu ba. Uikare tio guthikagiriria muthoni ukaigua Marurio. And you know, people have weird fetishes. And again, even security wise.
Yes. Taru thimu yaku ungiwa for example tha icuge ni ukwenda kuhurira mundu ri. At the back of your mind hakiri yaku ikuraga ati niwe na mundu ucio muraria. Conversation hiyo ti andu atatu ni yaku na mundu ucio ungi. So ni kaundu kagikumakia ati conversation irio ngikona cio thimu-ini no cikorwo somewhere cigi tapwo ni mundu.
Absolutely.
Na agakorwo agithikiriria kana gucithoma.
You see ungethie watho-ini ri, there is a legal parameter. He haria thirikari itikiritio gucathi. There is that legal parameter. No riu ni kuragia reports ya is going overboard. Yes.
Na ingi nginya unauthorized.
Yes. Unauthorized and unprocedural.
Thirikari taru ngiko ikite kaundu for example ri no twaro igoti-ini na thirikari ikiheo rutha rwa igoti metikirio guthurima thimu yaku maheo rutha na igoti.
Yes, with a court order.
With a court order.
Yes.
No riu thiko ici ni na thie ka guthie nginya level iyo.
Yes.
Ugakora already ona gutayanitwo rutha ri. Thimu yaku imeperembwa.
Ndia kwira andu ndirari hano kera kira. Sina mani tha inya cio tukoma ndiri.
Pakithitie hau mirema.
Mbere ya handi we hau rabata ngoroba ya kanari.
Atigire ngari hau bengi-ini.
Raharuka rwimbo ruria ti njamba. No, watu wananga wanachunguzwa.
No, it's good to be aware.
It's good to be aware.
Tondu macio ni maundu marahappen na maundu marakorwo andu bururi-ini uyu turi.
Yes.
Riu ni wega gukorwo very keen na thimu yaku.
Yes.
Na oguo uga kwa wa kuheana access ya thimu yaku oro uguo
thimu ino ndirakwira he maundu maingi muno gikuneana namo maharaganie kana macenjie muturire waku uru
pio
yes just this mobile device yes
so it's good you be aware
that somebody's watching here but we not really I always feel like somebody's watching me yes
it is happening
lo and behold
no agukirora na ndona kwendo no kinya goke ukajia gwikuwira ito ndo very weird thimu-ini yaku it's good ugikinya hau ri it's good to have it checked
ukaigua riu ni kirire irarira iragamba ni nditayo irwo gutiri mundu uraria we no haru kana ukaigua ta mai maratherũka thimu-ini hiũhire
kwaja smartphone ugakora ndire mwaki-ini na nduramihũthira ugakora thimu hiũhĩte ta gĩcinga
kana ndiakĩtie data hiũhire ndĩraiga mwaki
hapo it's good to have it checked
just being getting washed yes
maybe
unasuguswa
wewe ikarago ikuretie ritho
macambiki maguthikagiriria
akauga kiuga hello gaigithe mundu ni anyihagia thimu-ini
mabu
lili
sadau
oda ukohe mundu ningi he andu na wekiritwo loud speaker ine
yes no are marakumonita matikumonita ati gutu-ini
we
hau
yoko we ufa-ini handu
we wima media
yo githiria we conversation ine na mbe waku
with your clandestine
yes la andu wekiritwo ufa-ini
andu makuhe maiki yes Pulo
gagos
you have to gosh miss guy
mwana ule ngena kuone gwiturura ya maretu
mara kamuna to ni wekaine we okoro cia mani wa stage ya matatu no ko wake wa ihindi rimwe
kimoda nduhekaga uhoro
no ususekira
Elio ni thaa 4:47
ususekira
sio tuko
uroria nikurete pizza flavor gani Hawaiian ni ile ya tumananazi
na sonda
unataka kangani Losonombil kana usago supermarket yama wine spirit aveka
no leo kiwikiritwo kiretwo kamero-ini
we no leo we unapiga show we stage okay adoro
wega ukorwo wia
yes